All right. My name's AJ Silva. I own Apex Development. We're a nylon gear manufacturer here in Phoenix, Arizona. We've been with Loloft for just over 4 months now, and the space has been absolutely incredible. As our business grew and took off, we knew that we needed a space that could kind of accommodate some of our manufacturing needs. We had been working out of a garage, and we quickly realized that a space was much needed out here in the heat. Having a place where we can vent some of our machinery and where we can also work in 70 degrees as opposed to 110 degrees, Loloft was a fantastic option. One of the constraints that a lot of small businesses run into, that we ran into, was being able to find a space that could accommodate our needs, but wasn't like a 10,000 square foot warehouse that we weren't quite at yet. Those are expensive and they take a lot to upkeep month to month, and so we needed that like one-stop shop place where we could go to set up our equipment, get the work done, and not have any constraints. So that was Loloft for us. We have a bunch of different warehouse options, so you can pick different square footage depending on your need, and then scale if you need to scale. Instead of moving down the road or many miles away, you can kind of just navigate your way through the space as you grow.